Coinbase, the San Francisco, California-based, and the largest leading cryptocurrency and digital exchange company in the U.S., which was founded in 2012 by Brian Armstrong and Fred Ehrsam, announced earlier this year that it is going public on April 14 with the ticker listing Coin. The crypto exchange company will be one of the most high-profile public listings in the market during this year 2021. Instead of the traditional initial public offering, IPO, Coinbase decided to go with a direct public offering, DPO, on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange via what is also known as a direct listing. Coinbase is not looking to raise money to fund its operations, so there is really no reason to issue new shares. This could be one of the reasons that may have led Coinbase to go with this type of listing. Another reason for choosing direct public offering might be seen as an effort to enable the early investors of the company to score big by cashing in on some of their early investments on the first days of the actual trading, without having to wait for the normal lockup period that happens in the normal initial public offering alternative. The direct public offering will save the company millions of dollars compared to the typical IPO, which typically costs somewhere between 3.5% and 7% of the gross IPO proceeds. So this could be a third reason for choosing DPO. The choice of direct public offering is not a new technique. It has been tested and chosen before by some successful names such as Palantir and Spotify, and it seems that Coinbase has decided to take the footsteps of these companies to maximize its chances of a high price for its share while minimizing the offering expenses. This smart and bold decision comes at a time when both the cryptocurrency market and stock market are still rallying, and should fuel both markets for even higher highs. With the listing of such a leading cryptocurrency exchange during the time where all eyes are on cryptocurrencies, where Bitcoin price is hovering around $60,000, there is no doubt that the demand is going to be high on Coinbase stock when it's released. This should send its price high in these never-before-seen levels in the stock market. The direct public offering and listing of Coinbase in the stock market is like a marriage between the relatively new concept of digital cryptocurrency exchange with the old traditional stock market exchange, which will bring and encourage new investors to cross from one side to the other and vice versa. Coinbase announced on its investor subdomain news release section the estimated expenses for the company's direct listing during the second quarter of 2021 to be approximately $35 million. As for the full year of 2021 expenses, the estimation for technology, development, general, and administrative expenses to be between $1.3 billion to $1.6 billion, excluding stock-based compensation, in 2021. Coinbase identified 4 key business metrics, which are assets on platform, monthly transacting users, trading volume, verified users. The estimated performance results for the first quarter of 2021 shows that the verified users are 56 million plus, up from 43 million users during 2020 in the first 3 months of 2021 alone. Also, the estimated monthly transacting users are 6.1 million. Assets on platform are estimated by $223 billion, representing 11.3% crypto asset market share, includes $122 billion of assets on platform from institutions. Trading volume of about $335 billion. The total revenue of approximately $1.8 billion. The net income is estimated to be approximately from $730 million to $800 million. The company is valued at around $68 billion on the private markets, but that could rise up to $100 billion if we add the diluted share count. The estimations as calculated by Delphi Digital research firm of Coinbase states that its value should be between $160 billion and $230 billion if the stock can command above average price multiples. Coinbase has listed 114,850,769 shares of stock, but the actual number that will be offered for sale could be much less than that. Also, it isn't clear how much voting power investors in its common stock will have. Coinbase now tracks more than 4,000 assets and lists 42 tradable assets. It enjoys business relationships with about 115,000 partners in more than 100 countries. The company generates revenues and money gains through trading commissions of buying and selling digital currencies on its platform, including margin fees, also called spread. The company charges 0.50% for crypto sales and purchases, but this rate is a variable that varies in accordance with the market conditions. The margin fee is determined by the asking and actual price between the seller and buyer at the precise moment that your purchase is actually executed. In addition to the aforesaid fees, there is Coinbase fee, which is a commission charged on every executed crypto transaction. The amount of the fee depends on the customer's location and the total amount of the transaction. In addition to the money generated by Coinbase from its exchange services, the company has its commerce line, which provides online retailers with the ability to accept cryptocurrency payments. Coinbase also has its card, known as Coinbase Card, which is a Visa debit card that is accompanied by an app that allows its users to use and spend cryptocurrencies after converting them to fiat money in the form of US dollars. Another line of service provided by Coinbase could be seen in the digital currency created by the company US Dollar Coin, USDC, which is based on the Ethereum platform. The value of the US dollar coin is tied to the US dollar, therefore, its value is fixed at $1. One of Coinbase's distinguished features is the electronic wallet it provides its customers with, where they can place their digital assets and store them on their own devices. Security is probably the number one concern for cryptocurrency investors. That is why Coinbase's wallet is preferred by many investors, since it protects the associated keys with secure enclave and biometric authentication technology. The simplicity of not having to enter long addresses to send and receive cryptocurrencies makes Coinbase favorable among the platform's frequent users. It allows its customers to pay any of its other customers using just their Coinbase wallet username. The company says that its secure and armored systems protected it from hackers who were successful in breaking into other exchanges, such as the 2014 hacking of Japanese exchange Mt. Gox, that caused the company's bankruptcy and the loss of billions of dollars. Unlike the already established and publicly traded companies, the volatility and uncertainty that surrounds direct public offering of a company whose sole business is in the cryptocurrency exchange field. With Bitcoin's prices around $60,000, in a rallying stock market and the uncertain future of cryptocurrency, you may want to consider the risk and reward associated with such an investment, and the amount of money you are willing to invest in this DPO, if any. For more investing related videos, please give this video a like, and subscribe to this channel. Investing M channel. I wish you everlasting success. And I look forward to contributing positively to your investment decisions. Thank you for your invested time with us.